Chalk is one of the most universal minerals, which is commonly used for production of cement, powders, fertilizers and as a filler in different industries, particularly in pharmaceuticals. Thanks to its texture, chalk serves as a pigment and filler, which makes it an important component in ceramics, rubber, plastic, paper, cosmetics and paints. To use chalk in mixtures, it usually needs to be crushed. The ability of chalk particles to interact with water and other particles of the mixture depends on the fineness of the grinding. Traditional mills, which are used for chalk grinding, have a range of disadvantages, which are manifested in rapid wear of grinding bodies, large dimensions, complex maintenance and high specific electricity consumption. That's why Globecor has developed innovative technology of chalk grinding through vortex ferromagnetic particles layer, which is implemented in vortex layer AVS devices type. Structurally, AVS is an inductor of a rotating electromagnetic field, a working chamber and steel ferromagnetic particles. When voltage is applied to the inductor in the working chamber, an alternating electromagnetic field is induced, under the influence of which ferromagnetic particles begin to move along complex trajectories and intensively hit each other, the walls of the working chamber and the particles of the processed substance. As a result, various processes and phenomena occur in the working chamber, which contribute to the intensive micro-shredding of chalk in a matter of seconds. Ferromagnetic particles impact, magnetostriction, high local pressure, ultrasonic vibrations and cavitation in dispersed environment as well. Both dry and wet grinding of chalk is possible in the vortex layer device. In the second case, the grinding fineness is up to 1 micron or even less. Chalk grinding in vortex layer device not only improves its quality, but also provides activation due to an increase in the specific surface area and treatment with an electromagnetic field for better interaction with other components and the rapid formation of high-quality mixtures. Moreover, vortex layer devices have no disadvantages that traditional mills have. They are simple in operation and have no dynamic seals and don't need special foundation for its placement, have low power consumption, no more than 10 kilowatts, are compact and easily integrated into existing technological lines for grinding various minerals. Which equipment do you use for chalk grinding? Share your experience of using such equipment in comments. You can find additional information about Globecor technology for chalk grinding via the link in the first comment or on the website www.globecor.com.